Hello guys! In this video, we will know how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. It's very easy, so let's start. So, for getting the Meta artificial intelligence, you have to download the last update of WhatsApp. So for getting the last update, let's go to Play Store. Let's wait. And then let's write WhatsApp. So you have to click on the app and here will appear update the app. In case that your app is not updated yet, so just press update and the app is going to update on your device. Now in case that your app is updated and you didn't get the artificial intelligence, just get to your settings, then go to apps. Let's wait and let's go to manage apps. Here in manage apps you have to look for WhatsApp. So let's wait until this appears. Let's go to WhatsApp. Just click there. And then you have to clear data. And again open the app once again. In this way, probably the artificial intelligence will appear on your WhatsApp app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it works for you. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.